It's time to ditch those sedentary habits and embrace the incredible power of movement. Get ready to feel the difference. Remember, progress takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, celebrate every milestone, and never give up on your dreams. The key is to find an activity that gets your heart pumping and puts a smile on your face. When you enjoy your workouts, they stop feeling like a chore and become something you look forward to. Remember, variety keeps things interesting and helps you break through barriers. Planning your path. Creating a workout schedule that works. A well-thought-out workout schedule is the foundation of any successful fitness journey. It helps you stay organized, motivated, and on track to achieve your goals.
Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Without consistency, even the best workout plan can fall short. It's the regular effort that builds strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Creating a workout schedule and sticking to it will help you stay on track and make fitness a part of your daily routine. This routine becomes a habit, and habits are powerful tools for achieving long-term success.
Start by setting aside specific days and times for your workouts. This helps you to mentally prepare and ensures that you have dedicated time for exercise, no matter how busy your schedule gets. Treat them like important appointments that you can't miss. Just as you wouldn't skip a meeting with your boss or a doctor's appointment, don't skip your workout sessions.
Find a planner or use a digital calendar to schedule your workouts and set reminders. This can be a physical planner, a smartphone app, or even a simple calendar on your wall. The key is to have a visual reminder of your commitment.
Be realistic about your schedule and don't overcommit. It's important to set achievable goals that fit into your lifestyle. Overcommitting can lead to burnout and frustration. It's better to start with a few shorter workouts per week and gradually increase the frequency and duration as you get fitter. This approach helps prevent injury and allows your body to adapt to the new routine. Enjoying your workouts is crucial. Find activities that you love, whether it's running, yoga, weightlifting, or dancing. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore and you're more likely to stick with it. Consider joining a group or class. Working out with others can provide motivation, accountability, and a sense of community. Plus, it's a great way to make new friends who share your fitness goals. Track your progress. Keeping a fitness journal or using an app to log your workouts can help you see how far you've come and keep you motivated. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Be flexible and adjust your schedule as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and sometimes you may need to change your workout times or days. The important thing is to stay committed and get back on track as soon as possible. Set new goals regularly. As you progress, your fitness level will improve and your goals should evolve. Setting new challenges keeps things interesting and helps you continue to grow. Celebrate your milestones. Whether it's completing a 5K, lifting a heavier weight, or simply sticking to your schedule for a month, take time to acknowledge your hard work and dedication. Prepare in advance. Lay out your workout clothes and gear the night before. This simple step can make it easier to get started, especially on those days when motivation is low. Don't forget about nutrition and hydration. A balanced diet and proper hydration are essential for fueling your workouts and aiding recovery. Make sure you're eating enough to support your activity level. Finally, prioritize rest and recovery. Your body needs time to repair and grow stronger. Ensure you're getting enough sleep and taking rest days as needed. Creating a workout schedule that works for you is a journey. It requires planning, commitment, and flexibility. But with the right approach, you can make fitness a sustainable and enjoyable part of your life. Fueling your body nutrition for peak performance. Achieving peak performance isn't just about training hard. It's also about fueling your body with the right nutrients. The food you consume plays a crucial role in how well you perform, recover, and maintain your overall health.
You can't outrun a bad diet. No matter how much you exercise, if your diet is poor, your performance and health will suffer. It's essential to understand that exercise and nutrition go hand in hand. What you put into your body directly impacts your energy levels, performance, and overall health. A diet rich in nutrients can enhance your stamina, improve your focus, and help you recover faster from workouts. Conversely, a diet high in processed foods and sugars can lead to fatigue, poor performance, and long-term health issues.
Proper nutrition is essential for fueling your workouts, building muscle, and supporting your fitness journey. Consuming the right balance of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, along with essential vitamins and minerals, can make a significant difference in your athletic performance.
Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the necessary nutrients to keep your body functioning optimally. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Lean proteins are crucial for muscle repair and growth, while whole grains provide sustained energy throughout the day. These nutrient-dense foods provide your body with the vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs to thrive. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your daily meals ensures that you get a wide range of nutrients necessary for peak performance.
Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These items can lead to weight gain, decreased energy levels, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods that provide lasting energy and support your overall health. Remember, you are what you eat, so make choices that nourish your body and support your fitness goals. By prioritizing a diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can enhance your performance, improve your recovery, and maintain your health for the long term. Your body is a reflection of what you put into it, so choose wisely and fuel it for success.
The power of H2O, staying hydrated for success. Water is life, and it's also essential for optimal fitness performance. Staying hydrated is crucial for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, lubricating joints, and flushing out waste products. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. Listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. Don't wait until you're parched, as that's a sign you're already becoming dehydrated.
Rest and recharge. Giving your body what it needs. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of rest. However, rest is a fundamental aspect of maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Just as important as pushing yourself during workouts is allowing your body time to recover. After intense physical activity, your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. This recovery period is when the real progress happens. Rest is not a luxury, it's a crucial component of a successful fitness journey. Without adequate rest, you risk overtraining, which can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and even injury. Taking time to relax and unwind helps to rejuvenate both your body and mind. When you rest, your body repairs muscle tissue, rebuilds energy stores, and strengthens itself for future challenges. This process is essential for anyone looking to improve their fitness levels and overall health. Sleep in particular plays a vital role in this recovery process. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Quality sleep means uninterrupted, deep sleep that allows your body to go through its natural cycles of repair and rejuvenation. Creating a sleep-friendly environment can help you achieve this. Incorporate rest days into your workout schedule to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injury. Rest days don't mean you have to be completely inactive. Light activities like walking, stretching, or yoga can help keep your body moving without putting too much strain on it. Listen to your body and take extra rest days when needed. Everyone's body is different, and it's important to recognize when you need a break. Pushing through pain or extreme fatigue can do more harm than good. By giving your body the rest it needs, you set yourself up for long-term success and well-being.
Stay positive, stay strong. Embracing the journey. Fitness is not a linear journey. There will be ups and downs, challenges and setbacks. The key is to maintain a positive mindset and embrace the journey, even when things get tough. Focus on how far you've come rather than how far you have to go. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and encourage you. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and watch as you achieve your fitness goals. You've got this, taking the first step. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, fitter you. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The time to start is now. Embrace the journey, find joy in movement, and never stop believing in yourself. You've got this. Now get out there, have fun, and unleash your full potential.